Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the classic nipple clamps with metal chain by the EasyToys Fetish collection. So let's get started. So this is the classic nipple clamps with chain itself. Now this is perfect for anyone who enjoys the stimulation of the nipple area, and the strong clamps squeeze the nipples for pinching and painful pleasure. The nipple clamps are provided with a long metal chain, and you can feel how the clamps are tightly around to your nipples while the cold metal touches and stimulates your body. Fantastic sensations from this. And that is the classic nipple clamps with metal chain by the EasyToys Fetish collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.